What's going on, guys? This is me, Mehdi Shakil, and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you that how you can play multiple videos in same video player simultaneously. So if I open this Windows Explorer, here I have couple of video files. If I right click any of this video file, then open with VLC media player.
What's going on, guys? This is me, Mehdi Shakil here, and you are watching my YouTube channel SSTec tutorial.
Here you can see this video is playing on this VLC media player window. Let me make it small in size. Now if I want to open another video with another window of the VLC media player, it will not work. So if I right click on this video, then go to open with VLC media player, here you can see this video comes up with that same window. So if you want to play multiple videos simultaneously in different window of the VLC player, let me show you how to configure it. So for this, close this VLC media player, then open the VLC media player again. Then from here, go to Tools, Preferences, and uncheck this option, use only one instance when you started from the file manager. Then click on Save. Now you can close the VLC media player. Now let's try to open that videos again. First, let's open this video file. Right click here, open with VLC media player. Here you can see the video is playing on this VLC media player window. Now if I want to open another video, let's say this one, right click on here, open with VLC media player. Here you can see this video playing with another new window. So like this, you can play multiple videos with the same video player simultaneously. So guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.